More ways to work and more ways to play. Your kids, be kids. And of course, more ways to help you save big kids furniture.
I feel bad, but I'm happy to be hosting this season of.
Well, we're thrilled to have you back.